Let's look at exporting your footage. Let's say you're all done with your work, your editing is complete, and it's time to export your movie. Make sure that this area here is bounded by a blue box. That means that your timeline is highlighted. I always make sure that my timeline is selected. Then we go up to File, go down to Export, and choose Media. I choose the format H.264. There are many to choose from. H.264 is a compression algorithm, otherwise known as a codec, which means compression decompression. And it's going to take all of the data, squeeze it down so that you can upload it to YouTube or Vimeo or whatever site you want to put it on. Under Preset, I match source at a high bit rate. This works very well with all of the videos that I have on this site and on my YouTube channel. You can add some comments if you like. You can choose a different output name by clicking here and then giving it a name up in this box, choosing a location to save it, and click Save. There's always a summary that gives you your output and your source. I don't do anything else with anything. I just leave it alone. Under Audio, I leave all this alone. I don't do anything with the multiplexer. I don't do anything with captions. And I never use anything under this section. I always, and this is a key point, I always export my files to my hard drive, and then I use the file from that location to upload to YouTube or Vimeo or wherever it is I'm sending my videos. I don't export from Adobe, and I never save anything in the Creative Cloud either. Although you can if you like, that's completely your choice. Finally, if you wanted to export just a section over here in your output section, you can create a smaller video by pulling these in, and now it will only export that little section right there. So from the playhead here to the playhead there, that's all that it will export. That is a custom range. If I click down and say entire sequence, then everything from the beginning to the end will be exported, and you can go through and see what your entire movie looks like. Once it's all set, I click Export, and then it encodes the media, and now I have a file that is completely exported and ready to view. And that's how you work with the export dialog. And I'll see you in the next video.